What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna go help a homeboy put some charge pipes on his E92. Not his E90. I know I want to put them on my E92 later on. So a friend told me he was gonna put some on his, so I said let me go help him out to get the experience, you know? So yeah, let's go. Bruh. Alright, so I just pulled up. Yes, sir. Very nice. So this is a charge pipe right here that came in. What is it?
This is the ARM Motorsport charge pipe. But I got the one with the diverter valves. Obviously, there's personal preference. You can get the one that has its own, you know, with the blow-off valve and whatnot. And they run about the same price, but the blow-off valve obviously goes for like another 200, 300 bucks. So it comes with the clamps, hoses that you need. Here's the silicone coupler. Pretty cool little decal.
And so this right here, it doesn't have one already or what?
Yeah, so basically this one, it goes from the charge pipe and connects to the firm mount intercooler.
Okay.
So you basically remove this, and that silicone thing is basically this accordion tube type of thing.
Got you.
And so you'll see right now when you take it off, those things are real restricted.
Gotcha. All right, so he took off this piece, and he already took off the intakes. I'm sorry, guys. Alonso's ASC certified.
You already know,
he's super
bro.
quick.
Everything's
off in 1 minute.
Trying to mess with this, bro. These are the diverter valves.
Diverter valve.
And these little plastic things, normally just twist them.
And you know what? Having those intakes really makes a difference, right? They came out real quick.
Because they just go into each snorkel, and you know, you just clamp them in. And that's it.
Yeah. Alright, so he took off these
after like an hour.
But it was just the problem of twisting this. If you just get a wrench, you just turn it, it'd be good.
It's only a quarter inch turn.
And then take the clip off of this. I'm gonna take off this bolt right here. So you got it out. This is the difference. You can tell the width, right? Like you said.
These are just plastic, and then with oil and age and a lot of heat, these things will just bust.
True. He's adding these couplers to the diverter valves. I'll check you with him. Is that what it is?
I got that right? I'll hold your script, dog.
The kit even came with some new screws for the T-map sensor.
Too bad, they go right in. I think they're a 3mm, in case you were wondering.
3mm?
Yeah. These are loose. They always come loose, so you always just gonna want to give them a little tight.
Oh, okay.
Tighten it before.
Yeah.
Now, got the gasket, coupler, I mean the C-clip. Time to put it in. Cue the cool music you have in the background. There you go. Got finesse with this little, and then you'll hear it.
Yeah, clip that or what?
Yeah.
We're having some trouble putting it on.
But the reason why is because if you use the new gasket, you can tell it's way thicker than the original one.
Oh yeah, you see.
And that's what doesn't let you put it in a throttle body 100%. So at least they provided, you know, it's pretty good, but it's not the right one. So make sure you clean your old gasket pretty good.
Round two.
Round two. What?
Take this over.
Yeah. And this thing. There you go.
All right, say it again about the
All right.
piece.
So next thing, we already installed the charge point. Don came in clutch. So next thing will be installing the coupler, but the only thing is it is very hard to work with. So what I saw on YouTube or other videos is you gotta grease it up. Here I just have a little bit of new oil. Add some around. Makes it easy to work with. And now sure you push this all the way back. Like so. Now next thing should be putting this on the intercooler connection. You see that little lip? And that's where it,
Oh, it needs to come up too?
yeah, that's where it needs to come to. And then you just clamp it in. There it is. So I definitely recommend adding some oil,
Yeah.
or if you got some new oil, of course, on this side, in this coupler, or in this hose, my bad. Makes it way easier for you to mess around, move it around to get the right spot. And then once you got it in with your hands, just go all around. Make sure you don't feel no kinks. It's sitting flush inside of this hose.
So Alonso just dropped what, the socket or the nut?
the nut that goes on this.
Yeah, bye-bye. We're back.
2 hours later. Literally. Stomach's full.
Yeah, we ate. We haven't been on it for 2 hours.
So now, gotta put this. Oh wait,
Missing a clip?
missing those.
Oh, the little clamps. Yeah.
Here you go, these two. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really liking this.
Yeah.
How it looks.
Yeah.
And I was actually, for a moment, I'm glad I didn't. I was real close to painting it. Like
Painting the stock one or this one?
this one
Why?
with the blue one, like a blue color.
Yeah.
You know, I like blue, but I'm actually happy that I didn't, because it actually has a pretty dope design.
Yeah.
And from the pictures, I just thought it was just a regular design, or just regular black.
Like a grainy look.
Mm-hmm. So I'm actually very happy with not doing that. So now, put the diverter valves in. It fit perfectly. Alright guys, so after a fat minute, we managed to finish installing the charge pipe. Nice and set. Got the T-map connected. It's back here, it's hard to tell. Hold on. Down there.
There it is, yeah.
See if you can zoom in. There you go. So, got that in. These connected nicely well. Ignore the mess, we'll clean that. Vacuum lines seem good. Yep. I'm impressed, you know, ARM Motorsports came in clutch with this one. There you go. Coupler looks really good. Got the clamps in. Go to the intercooler. We're good to go.
Nice. That's it, right?
Good to
the
go.
intakes?
Yeah, now I just gotta put the in.
Just putting the intakes back on. We're gonna start it up. And hope it doesn't blow up. Yeah.
The sticker adds at least like 10-15 horsepower.
At least.
10 foot-pound of torque. You know, you gotta let everybody know.
And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content.